Can the iPhone 17 Pro actually replace your camera setup? Well, today I'm going to be putting that to the test. I picked up the iPhone 17 Pro. I went ahead with the navy blue or the deep blue version of the phone. I know a lot of people are getting the orange color, but let's face facts here, I did not have the guts to go with the orange color. I picked up this phone the day it was released, and I've had close to 2 weeks to use this every day and see how this camera stacks up to my previous iPhone 16 Pro. So today I'm going to show you how real estate agents like myself will use the iPhone cameras in real life situations. We'll cover how the footage is going to look when you set up your phone in a studio setup like we're in right now. We'll show you what it looks like when you're shooting short social media clips at properties, and even how to use the brand new dual camera mode when you're showing homes to out-of-town buyers. I'll even compare this camera head-to-head against my Sony a7 IV so you can see just how close the iPhone can get to professional looking results. So let's dive in. Okay, so I'm going to start out right here in my home studio. One of the biggest upgrades for creators is Apple Log 2 and ProRes recording. This gives you way more flexibility when color grading, which means your videos can finally match the professional look that you'd get with like a DSLR or like the mirrorless camera that I'm currently using. Now, I'm not just going to shoot with the stock camera app. I'm going to use the Blackmagic camera app, which unlocks full manual controls. You can control the ISO, the shutter speed, the white balance, the file format. I mean, it basically treats your iPhone like it's a cinema camera. And if you don't need quite that much control, the Moment app can also be a great option. It gives you better color profiles and focus control, but with a much simpler interface. So for agents who want the best quality without having to think like a filmmaker, the Moment app is well worth the look as well. Now let's compare two clips. This one here on the left was shot on my iPhone 17 Pro. I'm using ProRes 422 and I'm shooting in Apple Log 2. On my right, I have the Sony a7 IV, and after grading both clips, you can see just how close the iPhone gets when you're shooting in a controlled environment like a studio. So if you want to shoot YouTube videos or professional talking head style clips for social media, the iPhone 17 Pro is a great camera for doing that. Okay, so sometimes when you're out showing a property, it's nice, maybe you just at like an open house, or my company will have exceptional properties meetings where we go out and we look at a couple $1 million homes at times, and you want to create social media content while you're there. So if you have the iPhone 17 Pro, one thing that you could easily do is you could just pull your phone out of your pocket, you could open your camera app, and then flip it over here in the top left to make sure that you're in 4K 60 frames per second. And then you could just get static shots. So you see here, I'm going to use the wall here, and I am just going to do like a little reveal shot. I should also mention that you can put this in wide angle if you want. And I'm just going to do a little reveal. Okay, so I'm just revealing the room. Maybe I'll make that one a little bit tighter. And I'm just rocking my body. So you can create just little one-off shots like that, and you can put text over them inside Canva, and they just make for really good stories and stuff like that. You know, if you're concerned about stabilization too, because I don't have a gimbal or anything, you can go to the top right, click that, and then you can go over to action. And it's not gonna be quite 4K, it's gonna be at 2.8K, but it's still a pretty good resolution, and now everything will be really stabilized. The good thing is, like, if you're in a listing appointment or if you're at an open house or something, you just want to get something done really quick, but the property isn't fully set up to show. Like if you're at a listing appointment and they're not quite ready. I have a whole bunch of stuff on the counter right here that I just put there. There's stuff shoved in the sink. I took the towel off of the dishwasher here, so I just want to make sure that the area that I'm shooting is set up pretty nice to where I, think it's going to look pretty good on social media. I'm then going to flip into this action mode, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it to 2.8K, 60 frames per second, and then just a little bit of movement here when I'm shooting. So maybe I'll come across like this. So just like that, just a little bit of movement, you guys seen it. And then I'm gonna put that in post. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slow it down a hair so it looks a little smoother, throw some text behind it, and then I have something that I can upload to my stories really quick, especially if the property's coming soon or something like that. You can just have a little bit of content that you can post about and keep that social proof going all the time, right? Because you're always gonna be in and out of properties each day. You may only list 15 homes this year, but you're sure gonna be inside of 100 homes or more, right? So you wanna make sure that you're able to capitalize when you're in a nice house. And the iPhone 17 Pro allows you the opportunity to create high quality content, even if it's not your listing. Another feature that I really like about the iPhone 17 Pro is that they have this dual capture mode. So let's just say you had some out of town clients and you wanted to show them a property, but they weren't available for like a FaceTime or something like that. You can create these little short videos of the houses as you're going around and potentially looking at homes on their behalf. Okay, so you can see here as I go to the top right, I can click on this little square. It looks like a picture-in-picture icon there. It just turned yellow there, right where my picture-in-picture is. You can move this to wherever you want. And you can actually keep action mode on as well. If you wanted to leave action mode on while you're doing this, it's completely up to you. You can do both at the same time if you want more stabilized footage. And then you can go through the house, and as you're walking around and you're seeing things, you can just be talking about it, right? And so that way they're gonna be able to see your expression on your face as you're explaining, or your reaction as you're explaining the different things in the room. But then you're also gonna be able to show them the room. And of course, it might even be smarter to do that this way, horizontally. This is cool because you're gonna be able to go through the house like this. You're gonna be able to show off the property, and then they're gonna be able to see your reaction to what you're seeing, and it's gonna help build some rapport, right? Because they're gonna be able to see you on camera as well. And you can go around and you can talk about the different flooring, you know, the engineered hardwood flooring, or perhaps, you know, the quartz that you see on the fireplace. So talk about the different materials that you see in the house. You know, you have the recessed lighting here in the living room with the speaker system there built in. And so this is all stuff that you can talk to your client about, and you can show them at the same time. So again, it's just another built-in feature that I think helps agents that's in the iPhone 17 Pro. Just note that when you record like this, you're not able to separate the files. So everything is gonna be baked in. So me here in the corner of this video, it's gonna be baked in like that. So just make sure that you have, you know, the picture-in-picture where you want it to be in the final video. But outside of that, I just think it's an awesome feature. Okay guys, and of course, if you want the most polished look when it comes to making real estate videos on a phone like the iPhone 17 Pro, you're gonna wanna use a gimbal. This is the DJI OM7P. It's the one with the tracking module on it, and it can track you when you're using the phone's native camera app, which I love this. I also have the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, so if you're interested in my opinion on which one of these is better for shooting real estate, let me know. I'll create a video about that. But for now, I will put links to both of the gimbals down in the description. And if you're interested in learning how to shoot real estate using your cell phone, I will link a video that I created in the description for that as well. All right, so let's touch base really quick on the front-facing camera. Obviously, as a real estate agent, you're gonna be out there creating content all the time. That's part of the deal. We're real estate agents. We also have to be salespeople. We also have to be content creators. I think everybody who's in the business understands that much, but Apple has now made the front-facing camera 18 megapixels versus the 12 megapixels that was on the previous iPhone 16 Pro. And actually, I think they had 12 megapixels dating back all the way to the iPhone 11 Pro. I mean, if you ask me, it's a way better image than the previous phone. It gives you better skin tones, sharper images, it's better in low light. And one of the coolest features is they have their center stage feature, which is not to be confused with the center stage that they came out with on the iPad a few years ago. This iPhone version of center stage allows you to shoot either in vertical or horizontal with just a touch of a button. So it's basically just a square sensor in the front of the camera, and it will just crop down to 16:9 or 9:16, which I think is fantastic because as you can see, right now I'm shooting in horizontal, but the camera is right in front of me. So it gives you way better framing than if the camera, you know, if I had to switch the camera over to the side, you would have like the lens off to one side, and it never looks quite as good. So anybody who's in the real estate business and needs to create content on the go, or really any kind of business where you need to create content on the go, I think that the iPhone 17 Pro is a game changer because of this high quality front-facing camera. So what's the verdict for real estate agents? The iPhone 17 Pro isn't just a phone, it's a legitimate tool for creating professional video content. And here's what stands out: studio quality ProRes with Apple Log 2, especially when you're pairing it with the Blackmagic or the Moment camera apps, wide angle flexibility for property coverage and quick social media clips, a sharper selfie camera with that vertical to horizontal screen built in, and dual camera recording, which is great for when you want to personalize buyer tours or just for client communication when you want to show a home to an out-of-town client. That's it for this video. If you want to see how I shoot an entire listing video from start to finish using an iPhone, check out this video right here. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.